today's episode, we're gonna do some minor fixes to the G that are most important and things that I've been willing to put on the car for such a century, it seems. I hope you like it. Let's get it.
No one ever knows where we're heading, where this story goes. You just gotta hold on to your path. What feels right in your heart and your soul. I know you always wanna do what's right. I know you rather wanna flight than fight. But every now and then you gotta pause. Ask yourself, is this right? Stand your ground. You say, I wanna be the hero.
First impressions of the new steering wheel, it feels even better. This thing just feels great, man. Yeah, definitely. Feels like more legit, I don't know. Cause this is like thicker. This cost me what I think was 80 bucks and it goes for 300. Shit. Goodness, I think it's a steal. But definitely, it feels like another car. Jesus Christ, man. It's amazing how just like small mods can just upgrade your ride for absolutely cheap. Uh-oh, it went into manual mode. You know what that means. Oh, turn down the camera. Definitely feels way better with this thing, man. It's not like, oh my God. I mean, I can feel the horsepower. A sticker is 5 horsepower, a steering wheel is 10. So you know it's way better. Yeah. My goodness. Well, verdict, it feels freaking great. Looks great. I say is a win-win. If you like this type of content, please click back on this video. Thanks, guys. God bless. Step it up. Peace. Like right here, it's really thick. It's like you're turning like a freaking monster car, like a bigger car or something. That's crazy.